Welcome back everyone. So here we are with my latest bowl finished. It's a cake theme, if you haven't guessed already. So just going around all the different characters within the cake. I'll start explaining in a wee second, but just give you a feel for the bowl itself. So this is the third commission. So we've got the wee macaron, the wee green macaron, then we've got the donut, the icing, cream donut with jam in the middle, 2 Belgian buns, flying the Belgian flag, with cherries for noses, chocolate donut, the yum yum, another yum yum on the right hand side, cinnamon twirls, famous in New York deli, so got a wee American flag, hot crisp buns, French fancies. My favourite's always the pink and the yellow. And then we've got a bowl of custard. And there we are, the roly-polies falling down the cake, all the wee icing figures on each of the tiers of the cake. I was really happy with this one. I think this one's my best. There's some more macarons there, the Jaffa cakes. Some would argue that a Jaffa cake isn't a cake, but I've included. Taking the plunge into the custard, having a bit of fun. So the next one, a few other commissions still to do with the bowls. I've got 2 other bowls sitting there ready to go, so I'll do a wee video of them when I'm finished. I'm just doing a zoom out. And there we are folks.